Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and set up OpenVPN on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So we will start with the installation of OpenVPN. So for that, just open your favorite browser and search for OpenVPN. And the first link which will appear here will be openvpn.net. So I'm going to just click on this website. So once this website is open, you will be able to see different tabs on the top. We are going to download the community version of OpenVPN. So we need to hover over community tab and then we need to select the downloads option here. Okay, so hover over community and click on downloads link here, which is going to redirect us to the community downloads web page, right? So when you scroll down here, you will be able to see the installers for Windows also. So you have the 64-bit MSI installer for Windows and 32-bit MSI installer for Windows. So we are going to download the 64-bit installer for Windows. So just select this option which is in front of Windows 64-bit MSI installer. I'm going to just click on this button, which is going to start the download of this MSI file, right? So this file is not very big, so it will be downloaded really fast. So once this MSI file is downloaded, just click on this file and let me minimize my browser. And the installation is pretty straightforward. So once this setup window starts, you just need to click on Install Now button, which is going to start the installation of OpenVPN. In between, you will see this warning which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I trust this app, so I'm going to click on yes here, which is going to start the installation. So at this point, I just need to wait for some time until this progress bar reaches to the 100% mark. And once the installation of OpenVPN is finished, you will see this message which says OpenVPN installing completed. So I can close this window. Now I can see this icon here which is created on my desktop. Also, I will be able to search for OpenVPN in my apps section, right? So I can just write OpenVPN here and it's going to show me this result which says OpenVPN GUI. I can also click on this Windows start icon and then in all apps I will be able to find this OpenVPN under this O. So I can see this is the new installation. Now immediately after the installation of OpenVPN, you will also see this window which says no readable connection profile or config file found, right? Because we haven't imported any OpenVPN file in our OpenVPN GUI. So for the first time when you install OpenVPN, it's going to show you this warning, which is normal also. Now the important message is this one. So you need to note the path where you need to copy your config file. So it says copy your config files to this path or this path. Okay. So just note these two paths. In future you might need these two paths, right? So once you read this warning, just close this warning and you will be able to see this icon which is for OpenVPN GUI, which will appear on your taskbar. If you don't see this OpenVPN GUI icon here, you can just click on this arrow and here also you will be able to see this OpenVPN GUI. Otherwise, if you don't see this OpenVPN GUI icon here, then you can click on the OpenVPN shortcut here and it's going to start OpenVPN and then it's going to show you this icon. So once this icon is visible, you can right click on this icon and you will see three options. So you need to right click on this icon and then you will see three options. One is import, second is settings and third is exit. We are going to select the import option and then click on import file. So it's going to allow you to import any OpenVPN file which you might have on your Windows 11 operating system. Now normally if you are using OpenVPN to connect to your company server or something like this, your company will provide a OpenVPN file to you, which you can use to connect to your company's VPN server. So if you have that file which is provided by your company or from your friend, you can use that OpenVPN file to connect to the VPN. Otherwise, if you don't have any OpenVPN file and you want to test OpenVPN, then there are many websites which provides free services for the VPN, and from there you can download the OpenVPN file and use it to connect to your OpenVPN GUI. So let me show you how you can connect to OpenVPN using a free OpenVPN service which is called VPN Book. So you can just open your favorite browser and search for VPN Book, and the first link which will appear here will be from vpnbook.com. So I'm going to click on this link, and here I can see a few tabs. I'm going to click on the free VPN tab here, and once this free VPN window opens, you will be able to see 3 sections here, right? So the first section is free PPTP VPN, which we don't want. We want the free OpenVPN, right? So this middle one, and from here you can download the VPN bundle files for different regions. So you don't have many options here, but for testing you can select any of these bundles, right? So I'm going to select this US1 OpenVPN certificate bundle from here, which is going to download this zip file. So I'm going to just click on this zip file, and I can extract this zip file anywhere on my Windows operating system. So for extracting this, I have this option which says extract all, or I can right click here and then click on extract all option, and then I can extract it on my desired location. So let me extract it in the downloads folder itself. So I'm going to just click on extract. So once you have extracted all these files, you just need to copy the path of this folder. So you can just copy it like this, and then let me minimize all these windows from here, and then once again right click on the OpenVPN icon, and then click on import, and then click on import file, and then just paste the path which you have copied, and you will see these 4 files here. So I'm going to select the top one, which is VPN Book US1 TCP80.ovpn. Okay, so this one, and then click on OK. And once you click on OK, you can see the message here, file imported successfully. So once this file is imported successfully, I can right click once again on the OpenVPN, and this time I will be able to see more options here, right? Because I have imported this OpenVPN file, so I can see more options here. So I need to connect to a VPN server, right? So I can just click on this connect option, which is going to try to connect to the VPN server which we have provided. So here I can see VPN Book US TCP80. Now username and password. So from where you can get these username and password. So when you go to this website and when you scroll down, so we have downloaded this for bundle, and when you scroll down, you will be able to see username and password here. Okay, so I'm going to provide the username and password. So the username is VPN Book, which is simple, and I'm going to provide password also. So this is the password. You can't copy it, so you need to enter it manually. And once you are done, click on OK. And once you click on OK, your OpenVPN server will try to connect to the VPN Book VPN server. And if everything is working correctly, you will be able to see this disconnect and reconnect button here, right? So you can see OpenVPN connection, and then VPN US TCP80 is working right now. So once the connection is established, you will also see when you right click on this OpenVPN icon, you will be able to see disconnect button, reconnect button, show status button. So when you click on show status, it will open the same window. And then you also have other options like view config, edit config, and clear saved password option. So this is how you can install and use and set up OpenVPN GUI on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.